Today I'm going to unbox and review this Ptron Bassbuds True Wireless Stereo Earphone. Welcome to my channel, this is Ashutosh Nirmal, and if you are here first time, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you'll notified when new videos uploaded. Let's start. Here's the box. First check box details. On the front we have model's picture and name. The back side has specifications. Pause and read if you want. It's priced at $249, but you can get this under $1,500 and under $1,000 during sale time. Let's open this. First we have a micro USB to USB cable for charging, 2 pairs of small and large ear tips, a quick start guide. Here's the charging case and here's the earphone. It's very light in weight. They are just 4 grams each in weight. Here's the case where you can charge the earbuds. Case is just 22 grams. Here are the charging points. These earbuds won't charge automatically. You have to press this button to start the charging. When charging, light will turn on red on both the earbuds. It will off when fully charged. You can also use this button to check remaining battery. Here's the micro SD port for charging. When you take out the earbuds from charging cum storage case, they'll start. If not, you can press this button on both the earbuds for 2 seconds and they will start. Blue and red light start blinking on both, and then they will both paired each other automatically. Then one earbud's light will be off and they are ready to be paired. Here you can see Ptron Bassbuds on mobile. They are connected and blue light will be blinking very slowly. When you want to play the music, just press the button once on any earbud and music will start. The same will go for pause the music. If you want to go to the next track, press the button twice, and for the previous track, press it 3 times. If you press down and hold the button, your voice assistant, either it's Google Assistant or Siri, it will start. When is Diwali? Ear tips fit into your ears perfectly and won't fall off easily, even if you are running or in the gym. These are Bluetooth 5.0 earbuds with 10mm drivers, so they produce very good sound with a good amount of bass. Bass is good, but it's not too much and it won't overshadow vocals. Vocals are clear and you can hear the dialogues or lyrics very clearly even with the high bass. And one more thing, you cannot control the volume with the earbuds, you have to control it via mobile. Battery backup of the earbuds also good, as it gives you 4 hours of backup with 1.5 hours of charging time, and you can charge the earbuds again with the charging case. So if you want to buy a true wireless earbuds and have full wireless experience on a budget, you can go for this one. In this budget, these are the very good truly wireless earbuds. If you want to buy this, I'll leave the links in the description. If you buy from that link, that will definitely help me to make more videos like this. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about the product or have any suggestions, please leave a comment down below and I'll do my best to answer it. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Till then, take care. Goodbye.